Okay, so hello, assalamu alaikum students. This is your teacher Azka Butt, and today we are going to discuss about the paper pattern of AS Levels Accounting 9706. Okay. So AS Levels Accounting 9706 इसका कोड है और AS Levels हो या फिर A Levels हो, कोड आपका सेम ही रहेगा 9706. ये आपका सब्जेक्ट कोड है. Whether it is AS levels accounting or whether it is A levels accounting, it doesn't matter. Code will remain the same. Okay. So this will applicable to 2023 and okay. So hello, assalamu alaikum students. This is your teacher Azka Butt, and today we are going to discuss about the paper pattern AS levels accounting, and the code of your accounting paper is 9706. So whether it is AS levels accounting or this is A levels accounting, the code will remain the same 9706 because this is a subject code. It is not connected with the AS levels and A levels separately. The subject code is 9706. So this basically paper pattern applicable to 2023 to 2025, maybe after 2025, maybe CI's Cambridge will make some changes in paper pattern. Maybe they will add some more minutes, or maybe they will subtract some minutes from your paper, and maybe they will add some extra questions and maybe some extra content to your syllabus or in your paper. Okay, so it is you can say that possible. Okay, पीछे क्या था, पहले पेपर कैसे आता था, ये वो etc उसके बारे में आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू डिस्कस अबाउट, बट yes we will discuss about the future के 2023 जो आपके मई जून या फिर इंडिया में फेब मार्च या फिर अक्टूबर नवंबर यानी कि 2025 तक जो भी आपके पेपर होंगे उसमें कैसे क्राइटेरिया हो गया एंड हाउ यू हैव टू फॉलो इट एंड you just remember the paper pattern so because you can attempt your paper accordingly and you can um, gain maximum marks. Okay, so very first paper, AS levels basically divided into two papers. Like you have to attempt paper one and paper two. A levels, in A levels basically previously you have to attempt only paper three, but right now things has been changed from 2023 onwards. Basically A levels now divided into paper three and paper four, but today we are going to discuss about the paper one and paper two. ओके सो पेपर वन के लिए यू हैव 1 आवर. 1 आवर के अंदर आपको आपका पेपर कंप्लीट करना है एंड इट इज टोटली ऑब्जेक्टिव टाइप, लाइक इट इज एमसीक्यूज पेपर. बेसिकली एमसीक्यूज आएंगे इसमें आपके, ठीक है, जैसे आप ओ लेवल्स में भी एमसीक्यूज देते आए हो, तो सेम वैसे ही होंगे. um, तो 30 मार्क्स का जो है वो आपका पेपर होगा, तो इट मीन्स दैट 30 क्वेश्चंस होंगे आपके जो आपको अटेम्प्ट करने पड़ेंगे. और कंटेंट इसमें जो होगा इट विल टोटली फ्रॉम द एएस लेवल्स ओनली. यू नो दैट एएस लेवल्स एंड ए लेवल्स अकाउंटिंग बेसिकली divided into more accountings, two branches of accounting basically. Okay, the first one is financial accounting, which you have been learning from your O levels, and the second one is cost and management accounting. But in AS levels, cost and management accounting is not so much lengthy, because in this you have to, like, you have only two content points. The number one is cost behavior and the second one is traditional costing methods, in which you will learn about the marginal costing and the absorption costing. So it is very easy to learn. So you can say that in AS levels you will not have any pressure to learn a lot of cost and management accounting, because it is quite difficult, because you didn't learn this before. Like in O levels you have been learning financial accounting again and again, like different debit and credit system, but in cost and management accounting the things like it is very different. Okay, so but um कॉस्ट मैनेजमेंट अकाउंटिंग का जो बोझ होगा, जो एक आप बोल सकते हो कि यू कैन से द बर्डन विल बी लेसर इन एएस लेवल्स। ओके, सो 30 मार्क्स के क्वेश्चन, सॉरी 30 क्वेश्चंस होंगे, 30 मार्क्स का होगा और आपको 1 आवर में इसको कंप्लीट करना है। तो कैसे, किस तरीके से आवर्स को डिवाइड करेंगे, मिनट्स को डिवाइड करेंगे, ये भी हमारा कंसर्न नहीं है। वी विल डिस्कस व्हेन द पेपर विल नियर, बट टुडे दिस इज नॉट आवर कंसर्न बेसिकली। ओके, तो जो भी कंटेंट पॉइंट आपके एस लेवल में है वही आपसे एमसीक्यू में पूछे जाएंगे। जो आपके पहले 22 क्वेश्चंस होंगे, 30 में से जो पहले 22 क्वेश्चंस होंगे, इट विल ओनली फोकस ऑन द फाइनेंशियल अकाउंटिंग। ओके, फाइनेंशियल अकाउंटिंग आपकी तकरीबन सेम है, जैसे आप पढ़ते आए हो अब तक ओ लेवल्स के अंदर, तकरीबन सेम है, बस उसकी थोड़ी सी एक्सटेंडेड फॉर्म है, यू कैन से। ठीक है, तो थोड़ी सी एक्सटेंडेड फॉर्म है, लाइक यू विल कैच वेरी इजीली, आपको बहुत इजी लगेगी। एएस लेवल की फाइनेंशियल अकाउंटिंग बहुत इजी लगेगी। एएस लेवल जो है वो आपका सुकून से गुजर जाएगा, और एएस लेवल टू बेसिकली फोकस करता है फाइनेंशियल अकाउंटिंग पे। यहाँ पे आप इसके क्वेश्चंस की डिवीजन से भी देख सकते हो कि इट ओनली फोकसेस ऑन फाइनेंशियल अकाउंटिंग। सो इफ योर फाइनेंशियल अकाउंटिंग इज गुड, सो इट मीन्स दैट यू कैन गेन मैक्सिमम मार्क्स, बट इट डजंट मीन दैट you should not focus on cost and management accounting, because it is very important also, but because it will you can say that easy for you to read or to catch the content of cost and management accounting in A levels. Okay, तो हम ये नहीं बोल सकते कि we should ignore the cost and management accounting like totally. It doesn't like this. You have to focus on both things, like both accounting branches, but हाँ, फाइनेंशियल अकाउंटिंग का फोकस ज़्यादा होगा एएस लेवल्स में। सो इफ़ योर फाइनेंशियल अकाउंटिंग, लाइक इफ़ योर रूट्स आर स्ट्रॉन्ग, इफ़ योर कॉन्सेप्ट्स आर स्ट्रॉन्ग, सो इट मीन्स दैट इट विल बी अ पीस ऑफ केक फॉर यू। ठीक है, ओके, तो फर्स्ट 22 क्वेश्चंस होंगे आपके फाइनेंशियल अकाउंटिंग में, और बाद में जो एंड पे आपके 8 क्वेश्चन रह जाएंगे। 30 क्वेश्चन हैं तो 8 क्वेश्चन जो रह जाएंगे वो आपके कॉस्ट एंड मैनेजमेंट अकाउंटिंग में से होंगे। ठीक है, अच्छा, पेपर 1 के अंदर जो है वो असेस किया जाएगा आपकी नॉलेज एंड अंडरस्टैंडिंग, ठीक है, और एनालिसिस को। लाइक वी विल डिस्कस अबाउट दिस, व्हाट इज नॉलेज एंड अंडरस्टैंडिंग एंड एनालिसिस, और मे बी आई होप आई थिंक you also very familiar with these words, because this is your um, you can say that assessment, um, analysis, assessment basic, this is your assessment points. So that is why I think you may be aware from this analysis, knowledge, understanding, application and evaluation points. And if you learned business studies in O levels, so I think you will better understand what I'm trying to say. But yes, we will I will try to make an other video on especially on this, these basically these assessment points. Okay, so like we will discuss about this. Okay, so paper 2 is you have time 1 hour 45 minutes for paper 2, and marks will be 90. Okay, you have 90 marks, so it means that paper 1 and paper 2, it will carry total 120 marks. Okay, 90 plus 30 is 120. Okay, so in paper 2 you will have total 4 questions, and you have to attempt all questions. And here you can see this again, like why previously I was saying that AS levels totally focus on the most of the part, most of the content points of the AS levels syllabus focuses on the financial accounting. So it is just like that, as you can see that your question 1 and question 2 and question 3, it will focus on the financial accounting. Okay, again, if your financial accounting concepts are strong, so it means that you can gain maximum credit marks. Okay, so question 1, question 2, like you have 4 questions, you have 1 hour 45 minutes to do it. Okay, and like you have to attempt all questions, like you don't have any choice for it. So question number 1, question number 2, question number 3, it focuses on financial accounting again. Question number 1 um will carry 30 marks. like question number 1 आपके पास full fledged question आएगा 30 marks, उसमें आपके पास solve करने वाले question भी होंगे, yes, theoretical question भी होंगे, like you have to attempt the different definitions of different what can I say, like different definitions and different knowledge points, so you have to write that. And question number 2 will have like it will carry 15 marks, and question number 3 will carry 15 marks. So question number 1, 30 marks, question number 2, 15 marks, question number 3, 15 marks, and question number 4 will carry 30 marks. So it means that in paper 2 you will have two questions for 30 marks and two questions for 15 marks. The very last question, which is question number 4, will focus on the cost and managerial accounting. Okay, so it means that it is full-fledged question on um, cost and managerial accounting, and mostly in question 4, examiner will test your um, absorption and marginal costing most of the time. So this topic is very important in AS levels. Okay, like you have to create a strong grip on this topic, because most of the time, most of the paper, question number 4 totally related to this topic. So, and you can say that this is the only topic which is you can say that it is likely it is very important. Like cost behaviors are not so much you can say that difficult topic to understand. So the only difficult topic which you will find in AS levels content will absorption costing and marginal costing, which is your traditional costing method. So that is why क्वेश्चन नंबर 4, मोस्टली क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 इस टॉपिक पे ही आता है. ठीक है, तो इस तरीके से जो है वो आपको पेपर 1 एंड पेपर 2 ऐसे क्वेश्चंस की मार्क्स की डिवीजन होगी, और इस तरीके से आपको ये क्वेश्चन आएंगे. Okay, so I hope you understand, guys, and we will meet in our next class. So till then, I have to say goodbye. Okay, Allah Hafiz.